When the scrape burn pot message appears, first protect yourself by wearing heat-resistant gloves. Open the fire viewing door to access the burn pot grate surface. Using the burn pot scraper, pull the ashes that may be laying in front of the fire and let them fall into the ash pan. Now scrape the grate surface downward toward the auger. You do not want to scrape the fire out, just scrape under it. Any carbon deposits loosened at this time will be pushed out as new fuel is fed in. If the flame goes out during this process, close the door and let the fire get re-established. When the empty ash pan message appears, reduce the unit to a low burn before emptying the ash pan so it is cooler to handle. Wearing heat-resistant gloves, scrape the loose ash from the burn pot, then remove the ash pan to empty it. Close the ash pan door while emptying the ash pan. Keep the ashes in a closed metal container away from combustible materials until the ash has completely cooled. Replace the ash pan and increase the burn as desired. Clean the viewing glass. This should not be done when the stove is hot. Do not spray liquids onto hot glass. Use a soft, non-synthetic cloth and either a vinegar and water mixture or a non-abrasive glass cleaner. Most times, just a dry cloth will work. You can also dip a damp cloth into the ash to help remove heavier buildup. After burning approximately 1 ton of pellets, you will see a message telling you to do a total cleaning to keep the stove running as efficiently as possible. To do this, first, shut down the stove by pressing the power icon. When the stove has completely cooled and stopped running, it is now safe to clean. A total cleaning should take only about 15 minutes. To limit dust, run the combustion blower by touching the menu icon from the home screen to page 1. From page 1, touch the test icon. Then touch the combustion fan icon. The combustion fan will run for approximately 3 minutes. Wearing heat-resistant gloves, open the fire viewing door. Clean the heat exchanger with the provided scraping tool or paintbrush. The surface of the heat exchanger and firebox are smooth for easy cleaning. The debris will fall into the ash pan. Tap on the burn pot with the scraping tool. Then scrape the burn pot to ensure the burn pot holes are free and clear of any debris or carbon. Pay special attention to the lower corners next to the auger opening. Carbon deposits begin forming in this area. You can use the provided Allen wrench to clean out the burn pot holes. Use a shop vac with a fine dust filter or an ash vac to vacuum debris from this area. Next, access the lower burn pot cleanout cover by loosening the 2 thumb screws. Clean the fly ash out of the burn pot. Vacuum debris from this area. Replace the cover when you're finished and be sure the cleanout opening is sealed before tightening the thumb screws. Turn off the combustion fan by going into the test screen and pressing the combustion fan icon 3 times. Unplug the stove's power cord to safely clean the combustion fan area. Access the combustion fan blade through the ash door. Remove the ash pan and using the provided paintbrush, clean the blower wheel. Be careful not to bend the fan blades. Clean the flue exit with the flue brush. Be careful not to go in too far, which could damage the exhaust sensing probe located near the entrance of the flue. Vacuum the loosened fly ash in the entire ash collection area. Reinstall the combustion inlet cover. Replace the ash pan and close the ash pan door. Your stove is now ready to efficiently burn your next ton of pellets. Generally, after burning every ton of pellets, we recommend that you clean the entire venting system. Your findings will help you judge whether this needs to be done after every ton or more or less frequently. The frequency of cleaning depends largely on the quality of pellets. For your convenience, your local Harman dealer offers these professional maintenance services.